The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good morning, guys. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Fellas, good morning. Today is Thursday, October 21st. We're getting some pressure to the downside. Thank you, Deepak. Getting some pressure to the downside this morning. Futures are off a bit. Good morning, Becky. Same to you. Roland, Leo, Ray. Guys, good morning. Coming into the session, Dow Futures. Let's see here. Dow is down 107, ES off 14, Nasdaq down 61, Russell off 7, and gold off $6.50. Everything is red. Oats red, copper red, silver red, crude, natural gas, coffee is up again, another $1.70. I would look for coffee to keep going. Pre-market, most stocks are down, including Tesla, which beat on every line yesterday, off 14 bucks. You have some small greens. Merck and Moderna are green. I don't see a whole lot. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. John, good morning. Guys, yesterday was an extremely slow trade, very dull. Afternoon wasn't a whole lot better. Kind of a sloppy trade yesterday. Just markets were really quiet. Let me take a look at the VIX. Today is Thursday, so we obviously will have news. We will have continuing and initial jobless claims, of course. I'll check all the rest of the news in a second. I'm going to look at the VIX. VIX cash, it's up almost 4% at 1610. VIX futures is up 1.5% at 1960. VIX is not helping. We're in shorts at the moment, guys. Nasdaq is probably coming down to 300 at this point. YM, if it could get down to 295, another 80 ticks or so. I think that's where we get a bounce on the hourlies. ES is coming down to 45.10, maybe 45.08 on the ES. Russell also kind of hanging in there, but looks, it breaks this trend line. Russell could work down to 2270. Gold is in shorts. Nice job, Rich. Got in at 335. Nice. Gold is in shorts. We might make it to 70. Crude, if it can go hourly longs, can trade back up to 84.56. Natural gas about to flip all the way around into shorts. Might make it to 975. In any event, guys, we're here. We trade what we see. You see ES here at this. So you're looking at ES long here. Is that what you're saying, Mimi? Oh, yeah, I think we're shorts. I agree. Yeah, I think we come back to 08. Maybe 5 on the ES, and we should get a bounce there. That's what we see. Taking a look at order flow. We're right at our normal volume, 68,000 contracts overnight. 1,600 net sellers currently, 1,600 plus in the Nasdaq. And the ES below. We're below, way below actually on volume. 175 or so is where we generally come in. 4,700 sellers. I think we're headed down to 10. Gold, small net sellers, decent volume, same normal volume. Crude, 2,100 sellers. Heavier volume. YM, which I traded yesterday a couple, 3 times. Almost 400 net buyers, 33,000. We do have an unfinished auction to trade to at 92 on the YM. Gas sellers, buyers coming in, low volume. Copper, which has been hit overnight, 1,300 sellers. And the Russell bouncing above VWAP. In any event, guys, we're here. If you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. For sure has not been our best week ever. It's been rather quiet. Monday and Tuesday were nice trades, order flow wise. Bot is down about, I don't know, 400, 500 bucks on the week. Really slow trades. We had 6 trades on Monday, 8, this is total, 8 total trades on Tuesday, and 10 yesterday. And it's really all gold. Gold has taken, 24 trades for the week. 3, 5, 8, 9. Gold is half the trades for the week. An unusual week. Bots have not taken a trade yet this morning. ES, Nasdaq, and gold have been on since 6 a.m. And as of now, nothing has taken a trade. Let me read the disclaimer. Yeah, I saw that Tesla price was raised. I mean, we were in the room in the afternoon trading, and there was no reaction. None. Small up move and then flat. Really surprised. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors. Excuse me. Such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. Perfect example, yesterday in the afternoon session, I did put on 2 or 3 trades of 10 contracts. The fact that I put on 10 contract trade does not in any way, shape, or form indicate that I feel that the trade is better than a 3 contract trade or a 1 contract trade, or worse if I'm not even in the trade. So please trade according to your own accounts. It's been a tough 3 months. It's not been a, if you're a hedge fund, it's really a stock picker's market right now, not just buy Apple. I did get a different mic. Why? Yesterday I used it, Rich. No, it's the same one as yesterday. Same mic. I don't like this headset at all. The headset I've used for years, the mouthpiece is on the left. This is on the right, so the cord's in my way. Chris, oh my God. He's back. He's back. You are in the room, right? You're not logging in from Dubai or wherever the heck you were, are you? Are you in the room? I mean, are you home in Houston? Nice. Guess who's back? Uh. Good to have you back. Hope you enjoyed your 5-week vacation. A few minutes, guys, to the news. Not that I'm not looking at, for a trade now, but I think Nasdaq is long back up to 42.35 anyways. I'm not taking it. I'm just giving you an observation. 6B is wanting short, is in shorts. Not much of a target. 6-7 ticks, unless it breaks down below 85. 10 ticks in it, maybe. I'm really getting desperate. I'm looking at currencies. Cotton is a small short. If you guys trade cotton, cotton is a short. I don't think Patrick's here, but coffee is a long. It gets above that hourly high at 208 and change. Just waiting on news, guys. I mean, not really, I guess. Just unemployment claims. Minute and 40 seconds. And we'll see if we can rally the troops. Morning, Patrick. Caribou coffee panic hoards Arabica beans amid global deficit. Coffee's going to 220. Sugar is short. Wow, orange OJ. Big shorts. Here we go, guys. To beat 2.48. To miss on Philly Fed 23.8. No volume in gold. Looks like it's trying to break up, but no volume. Nasdaq got 35. I think we'll get up to 40. Getting a bid in the YM. If YM can get above hourly resistance at 424, we're good. Yeah, I think gold will get above VWAP. You'll get a scalp long on the current candle right here. Right there. Gold is trying. Buyers just came in. I said, there's your long. I want that unfinished auction, 43 for target 1. We're pushing a whole bunch of resistance up here. Right in here. You guys might want to take some risk off. I miss copper again. Every single day I miss copper. We got the 40 half. Come on, get that auction. Morning, James. If NQ breaks 310, I think 295 to 300. There we go. Oh, dirty devil. If you guys want to take risk off, feel free. Here's where we're stuck. 50 period moving average and the 20 right here on a 15-minute chart. Copper is above VWAP. It is a long if you guys trade copper. Come on, Nasdaq, seriously? 5 ticks to target. You're going to leave it? Yeah, my apologies. It is. I'm looking at YM. YM is above VWAP. YM. I said YM was long, so I didn't trade it. If YM breaks out here above 410, YM's going to start working, back up into, it could work to 560 today. I still have a bot trade on. I'll look at it in a minute. This should get that unfinished auction, fellas, right here at 43.50. I'm at 43. I'm 2 ticks below the auction. Really should get that auction. Gold got first target on the bot. That's what you heard. I'll cross over in 1 sec. All right, there we go. 2 contracts off on Nasdaq. You guys good? There's target 1 on the bot. You guys good on Nasdaq? Okay, good job, guys. I'm going to take another one off here. I got 2 out of here. This isn't going far. It's going to run right into 84. Out. All right, let's do this. Because I don't use stops. There we go. Stops in, break even. YM is longs, guys. Long YM. Russell popped as well. Nasdaq's negative delta down to 1400. Let me take a look at gold. Gold is long right here. Come on, give me a dime. I just put in a gold trade. I didn't get it. All right, I'm long gold, guys, 84.9. Let me do this real quick. Let me do this. Let me go back to Nasdaq. That's what I wanted. Got a 113 bought at 84.4 on gold, 115. So they're buying 84.4. Order ES. ES is long on the bot. ES now is long on the bot. I don't like those ginormous candles, but anybody have a Nasdaq runner going still? Anyone still in Nasdaq? Okay, good job, fellas. I think we get that 75. Anyone long gold? We just have to pop this right here, this yellow level, and we're good. Nice job, Ed. Come on, just pop right here. Send in the buyers right now. 85.2 goes. It's going to go. Yeah, we could get, this could pull back in here, but I'm talking about NASDAQ. But I think we're going up. Support is 42. We should be well above that support, or well below that support on the entry. Let me take a look. Yeah, gold needs to get above 85.7. Gold is, we're trading up into the hourly. Previous hour high is like 85.7. So this is That's our we break 85.7. We got target, fellas. So here are your options. You can take, target 85.5, 85.6. It's not a big trade, but it reduces your risk if you'd like. If we break this line here, that's the previous hour high. If that breaks, this goes shoop. So trade them as you see fit. I'm telling you what needs to happen in order to get us to target. I think it breaks, but it could pull back 40 ticks first. Gold is a fickle mistress. Final target, I'm going to try to get to 92.6 if I can get out of this target. 92.6. Come on, push, gold, push. Yeah, come on. Now we've got to get above 84.6 again. I don't want to see a lower low here. Trend candles are telling me to stick tight. Got the lower high here and then the hourly. So between 5 and 7, that's our come on, big guy. Everybody's doing it. Buy some gold. Come on. There we go. Oh, don't give me it. There we go. There we go. To the hourly. Block buyer here. Somebody bought 23 contracts at 85.6. They're buying the high now of this candle. Come on. Squirt it up. We broke the hourly. Come on. Bottom again at 85.6. Buying 85.6. 92. There we go. Three on the top. Sequential decline. 55.12.3. Watch your numbers. 62.13.3. You may want to take some risk off. Your prerogative. I missed by 2 ticks. I shouldn't. I really shouldn't. I should have a good target. Block, we got stacked there. Boom. Got it. Target 1 hit and filled. Okay. Booyah, baby. 92. Let's go 92 final target if you're running any. 92. You guys good? Everybody's good, right? Fellas, everybody good? Okay, nice job, Daryl. You're welcome. Easy peasy, fellas. Easy peasy. You're welcome, Ed. I'll be out at break even, guys. Real stop, if you want to keep it, is probably 81.5. I'm out, guys. I'm out on gold. I'll take Nasdaq off. $900 morning so far. Guys, I'm flat. I got 61. Come on, you rat dog. Push, push, push. 62, target 1. Target hit. Target 1 hit. 54 to 62. Target 1 is hit. Final target 75. Stop at break even because we're at the open. YM giving us a pullback. They're buying the Nasdaq, fellas. Final target 75 from 54 entry. Stop should be at break even. Okay. Crude got first target only. It's going to out on the runner. Target 1 only. Here is crude on the bot. Got target 1 only. Now we're coming down. Short Nasdaq soon. It's coming. Nasdaq's got to come below 33 for me to want to short it. Below 33. Okay? Pay attention. Below 33. Below that. YM kind of drifting. ES still longs. Not doing much, but it came back right into support at 18. Let this thing chop itself up in this first candle. 3-minute candle closed dead nuts middle. No real direction here. Russell is the star right now. Russell, believe it or not, is longs to 98. Russell is longs to 98. Gold, I have nothing. Crude, I've got nothing. Natural gas, I have nothing. Copper has been in shorts. It's trying to get a bounce. That's what we've got, fellas. Nasdaq, slop to slop. It's got to break 33. Yeah, RTY is longs. It's going to 98, 97. They're buying the Russell. They're buying the ES as well. They're not buying the Nasdaq. Stop on that RTY is 85. Yeah, 85. RTY is trying to break out, daily breakout. Nasdaq is just slop. If I had to take a trade on the Nasdaq, guys, it would be a long back at 39. Which it's already tagged. ES pulling back. I'm not really watching it, but ES is into support right here. You can try a 19 long with a 15 stop. It just bounced off 19, point and a half pretty quick. There goes Nasdaq to that 77. Russell's trying to push up. Come on, Russell. Go get 98. 97. Make our day. Russell has to break out of yesterday's high above 94. Ticks are flat. Thank you. CL still selling. Kind of an ugly day, guys. It's not a, it's, there goes your Russell. Anybody that took Russell, you got a decent little trade out of RTY. That was the bad mamma jamma today. Nasdaq's doing okay. I like Nasdaq long still. 44.86 to 95. don't think we're coming down there, but okay. 10 handle range. They can't give us a better range than that. Russell's got to break out above this 94 area. Okay, so trade accordingly if you're in Russell. Nasdaq's going to that 77, fellas. Still like Nasdaq on a pull back into now 41. 41 to 47. YM pulling back, Russell pulling back a bit. Whoever said sideways wasn't wrong. YM. I'm going to short the YM. In a bit. I'm watching the YM for a trade short. Not yet. Guys, we should not be in a hurry for trades. Everybody should have made money in pre-market. So just be patient. Let me get back to that Russell. All right, I'm going to try a Russell short below 72. Come on, I couldn't even get the damn trade on. Dang it. Come on. Come on. Get back down here. I still like it short. They're buying Russell, they're buying Nasdaq. Nasdaq's going to 77 if you're in it. RTY on the verge of breaking out if you're holding RTY. There's your 77 coming on Nasdaq. We got a ton of resistance up through 83. This is a short up in here trying on Nasdaq. There's 77 target hit. Russell has broken out. Where is my damn Russell? Russell is broken out. Now if we take out 98, it's a hell of a trade. I mean, it can go 23.10 RTY. YM down 95 points and hanging out. If Tesla's above 865, you can buy calls. I'm not watching it. It should go wild. They killed it yesterday. Oh yeah, it's going to 890, 895. All right, guys. I'm gonna try. God, I want this RTY. I mean this YM, but it won't break. I want the short on Russell. I'm sorry, YM, and it just keeps sucking back up into this little zone here. It doesn't want to break lower. ES is flat. Russell has broken out. Your target's 97. Nasdaq is pushing all kinds of noise up here. We got yesterday's close. Next target, you got 79, 81, 83. I'd really like to see this short back to 51. You're welcome, Jeff. Anybody carry Nasdaq to that 77, fellas? Anybody? YM doesn't want to do a dang thing. Nice job, Deepak. Held to 76. Nice job. Boy, if we cut above all this noise, I'm going to be amazed. 83. And it still won't fail. Guys, if you're taking trades, you should be doing well. I'm going to try a Nasdaq short back up near 83 with an 88 stop. 83 with an 88. Okay, now YM wants to go bid. Crappy little range on the YM. I'm going to do 83 with an 88. Okay. Come on. Get me down here to 75. Let's go. I'll take 2 at 75. Come on. Come on. Out. Out. It's hanging up. I'm out. I'm out. It may still come, but it's hanging up. Should have come straight to 7. Now it'll come to 75. Came to quarter. There's 75. Should come 70 if you held it. Anybody holding Nasdaq short should come 70. But it's not, I don't think it's coming far. All right, watch that 70. It would be your next target. Come on. Thank you, D. YM flat to dead. ES trying to move up. Russell still going. 97 was your target. I wasn't watching crude. Oh, you got 97 to missed by 1 tick, but you'll get it. Don't be bashful about taking risk off on the Russell if you're in it. That's from 90. 7-handle trade. Nice trade. 350 a car. Nasdaq did not come back down to 70. It came to 71 and a quarter, off by 5 ticks. There's your 97 on Russell. That's clear. If you're holding multiples, take a chunk off at 97. ES on the bot is almost the first target. Let me look at crude, see if it's along yet. It's copper. Yeah, I mean, I can make an argument for a crude long, but I don't really like it. There's first target on the ES. Not a lot of volume. Still like gold longs. Look at this Nasdaq go. You go, you little devil. Thank you, Tesla. Somebody send Elon Musk a thank you card. Nasdaq, guys, now looks like 429 is in the cards. 429. So where do we want to get long? Maybe a pullback to 86 if you're still holding. 372. I like my entry better from first thing this morning. Nasdaq bought them all back except 50. Gold short. Below 81.4 on gold. 81.4. Anybody holding anything at this point, guys? 98 now hit on RTY. They're all breaking out. Anybody holding anything? Yes, okay. Okay, NQ. All right. Gold short right here, 81.6. I'm going to short gold. Short gold. I'm short at 4. You're very welcome, Ed. I'm short 4. Come on. First target. Gold bot just shorted. I want 78. I want 79 target 1. That's what I'm asking for. Got a break here, 80.8. Gold bot is also short. Oh, trade number 2. This is what we got going, guys. These 2 bot trades. Yeah, gold, you dog. Come on. Man, Nasdaq. Wow. Waller's saying there's no reason to keep the balance sheet as big as it is right now. Fed's Waller. Don't even know who he is. All right, guys. I'm pretty dang close to wanting to hit that YM. These are all starting to pull back. Keep talking, Fed guy. Yeah, I know. Look at this Russell. 23, baby. Gold wants to short. I don't know why it's just putzing around. Hang on, guys. Sorry about that, fellas. There's first target on gold. I have a water heater that just blew. First target on gold, first target on the bot. Everybody good on gold? Hey, guys. I'm going to just put the stop at break even. Leave it. See what it does. All right, fellas. Sorry about the inconvenience, guys. Boy, I really want to hit this YM. Really, really want to short YM. Let me look at crude quickly. That's natural gas. Where's crude? There's crude. Yeah, I had no trade on crude. Nasdaq hanging out. YM is flat. ES is slowed down. Russell still bid. Russell's next target 23.10. We would need a pullback for that. Gold. That's all I got, guys. I have nothing at the moment. Just stay short gold. I think gold will break lower. My stop's at break even on the order flow trade. I'll move the bot trade to break even. Get it off the screen. You're welcome, John. Nice job. Boy, these markets are just quiet. Guys, NASDAQ's opening range high is the high of the day at 94.25. I just don't see shorts. I think NASDAQ's going to blow. We could go 429, 430. We have to take out the previous hour high, which is that high. Yeah, whatever that is. It's right here, whatever it is. That's your opening range high. I mean, I hate when the opening range high is at the high of the day, but I think we're setting to go up higher. I'm just not buying a breakout. Guys, I have nothing else at the moment. So what I'm watching now, I'm watching YM to see if it wants to break lower. See it one, Leo. The YM doesn't want to do a dang thing. We're not really getting a pullback in the ES, Nasdaq. RTY over 01, 11 handle trade. Gold is quiet. Man, wow. Nasdaq is pushing its opening range high, guys. It's a breakout trade. If you're a breakout trader, you can be long. You can be long if you want, guys. If you're a breakout trader, you're long. You're above the opening range high. Buyers, going to have to get over the whole number. All right, fellas. Man, oh man, I'll buy 95.50 on a pullback. 95.50. I'm long. I'm out of gold. Out of gold. I did not get the 95.50. Yeah, 90. I think that's a good entry. You might get a pullback to 95 or 96. Why is there two? We could come back to 88. I mean, that's a possibility. ES is motoring. What's 8.99 quarter? I don't know what that is. Mimi, I have no idea. NQ here. Oh, got it. Nasdaq's going, guys, to 430 to 440. It's going 430, 440. I pay no attention to Fibonacci's, Mimi. They're meaningless. 430 to 440 is where Nasdaq is headed. The only thing that hasn't gone today is the YM, and I'm watching it. I mean, that may be the only trade left. Bear with me 1 second. All right, fellas, I'm back. Come on, we really should work up to 18, guys. 18 and then 29. May not do it before a pullback, but 18 and 29. Anybody have any questions, guys? Come on, we should get to 18. We got to 13. Support's still back about 88. Meanwhile, YM's doing nothing. No, I agree. That's what I said earlier, Mimi. Everybody should send Elon a thank you. IBM is weighing on the Dow. Let me take a look at IBM. Down $10. Yeah. All right, guys. This next support is 01. Support has risen to 01. It's your buy zone. Nice job, Tim. Absolutely. Absolutely. Nice job. RTY bot looks like it's going to take a trade. Short. Come on, let's get a new high. Let's go. 18 should be where this goes before it runs into a wall. Buying them back. You guys see how we held this zone? I can't make it. Come on. Let's blow again, buddy. 18. 18. Uh-oh. Come on. Got to give us a new high here. Don't like the double top. I'm looking to close the trade. I'm out. I'm out. I could be dead wrong and this, turns right back up after consolidation. I'll take money. Everybody good, fellas? Yeah, it looks like it's going to blow now. Everybody good? I don't know why that's not updating. There it is. Yeah, today was much better than yesterday. Much better than yesterday. Guys, do I have... What's your daily target, D? Guys, do I have anybody that has not made money yet? Is there anybody that has not made money yet? I'm at 22 and change. Is there anybody not up on the day? I like that, Marco. All right, fellas. I mean, it's fairly quiet. We don't really have... And we have a bot trade on the RTY. First bot trade of the day for Russell. Are you fully funded and they won't let you trade that? I can't believe they won't let you trade gold. Who are you with? Brother Free? I understand copper, it's thin. I don't understand crude or gold though. Here we go, guys. 18 is coming. This YM is for, since we've opened. Oh, you're funded with Lilu. Oh, Paul is funded with Lilu. You have two accounts with them, don't you? $250,000 accounts? Yeah. And he can trade anything. Who are you with, Brother Free? Copper is a short. Copper is a short. You profit. I don't know. Copper, if you guys trade copper, it's a short. Is there anybody that would like another trade? It's at the low of the day. Never mind. I'm not selling bottoms. Never you mind. Never you mind. All right, we got my 18 target on Nasdaq. If you're holding Nasdaq still, 29 and then 43. 29 and 43. Okay? 29 and 43. Crude's getting ratcheted pretty good. Anybody holding, fellas? You're welcome, Peter. Anybody holding? Okay. $45.32. Yeah, I do. I think it can get that unfinished auction at $45.32. Yep. On ES. I mean, guys, this is a straight move up from the open. YM doesn't want to do anything sideways. Basically flat. ES is bid nicely. YM not so much. All right. If anybody wants to take natural gas on a inventory trade, your long is 135. So trying to short in line. I'm going to short natural gas, I think, fellas. I got to find it on my DOM. I'm watching natural gas. Virtually no reaction. ES is going to ruin my day. I'm sorry, RTY is going to ruin my day. All right, I'm going to try a small short. 56 on gas. 56. I'm sitting at 50. I'm not going to get it. Damn it, it dumped. Hung out and then dumped. Out on RTY bot. Nasdaq, guys, if it pulls back to 13, you can take it long again. See you tomorrow, Rich. 13, you can take it again. Put that in member Skype, Rick. YM just refuses to do a dang thing. Everything else is gone. I'm kind of out of trades here. This afternoon will be fun, I'm assuming. I will take Nasdaq long again at 13 on a pullback. If you guys aren't in it and you want to buy 13, you can. We got the 29 on Nasdaq. Next target up is 43. 43. If you guys are here on trial and have questions, I'm happy to answer them. You're welcome, James. I'm happy to answer questions, guys. For those of you that are on trial, today is Thursday. It's the last day that I will be sending you an email. I do not do follow-up on Friday. Admittedly, the bots have had a slow week. Really slow. But how big? Did you get your all-time high? How big? Nice job. Really nice job. Got your mojo back. The mojo's back. All right, guys, we're looking for long now on natural gas if anybody is interested. Not yet. Chris, are you in the room? I don't know if he stayed in the room. He's awfully quiet. Today was a nope, one tick. One tick, fellas. There's Target. No Nasdaq trades today. $45.35. Yeah. Wasn't watching dang Nasdaq. Nasdaq did not come to 26. We've got several thousand net buyers today in the Nasdaq. Should come to 26, maybe 20. If you guys look at order flow, that's not what I want. This is what I want. Nasdaq looks like it gives us a small short. We have an unfinished auction to trade to, guys, at 10. I'd really like to get that out of there and then go back up. Yes, both winners. Fairly muted day in copper. Soybeans were muted today. Guys, it's really, pretty much an indice show today. Yesterday it was copper was the trade. I mean, we had a nice trade in gold order flow. Actually, two, long and short. Couple of nice entries on Nasdaq. We've got decent sell pressure here in the Russell. You can see the sides of the candle expanding. I don't think there's any correlation between crude and Russell. Do you? I don't have a correlation. I missed a beautiful crude trade. You know, I could only watch so much, but look, here was our opening range low, right? Our Crable break, right? We got a small trade, almost 30 ticks. Russell got second target. We get a break back up, and then I get a stinking sell signal. I get a sell signal back through the Crable break. I missed what time was it? 10:10. I mean, look at this trade. 65. It's up. It's a buck. It's up a buck. Missed a big one. Nasdaq is a short on a drop below. Hang on, guys. Nasdaq is a short on a drop below 26.50. Boy, I hate to sell this thing. I just can't do it. All right, guys, let me do this. Bot trades for the day. ES took one trade today. Long, all three targets hit. All three targets have been hit. Nasdaq had no trades. The secondary filter missed this trade at 842, and it's been in the long since 842. So no trades on the Nasdaq today. Russell, which you're looking at, has taken two, identical same entry, same trade, bounced up and then broke the support. Two targets have been hit. Gold had two trades today. Trade number one, first target only, didn't make it to second target. And trade number two, first target only, though with the trail dots, we should still be short on gold. But two targets only. And crude, short to a loss, short, first and second target. Then bounced up and now has since dropped, but first and second target. Then, of course, the Russell, which you're looking at. The bot is currently meagerly green. The bot is green $22. 22 bucks. Been a weird stinking week, guys, pending the outcome of this trade. So it could be up $350, something if it gets that third target. Doesn't look like it wants to. Stop unless it breaks VWAP. You're up 1,001. I mean, that may be, but you're probably you're trading different hours than I am. You're doing something different. We cannot have a disparity of $1,000 if we're doing the same thing. So, okay, so you start earlier. So there are people that are running crude at 6 a.m., right? For instance. Anybody have any questions, guys? If this breaks VWAP, it'll get this last target at 90, but it's going to have to come down through VWAP. And if it does, it may be a crescendo. We've got sell pressure for sure. Just a really slow week. If we get this last target, the bot's still down $150 or so on the week. So crazy. Never seen it so anemic. We should fail here. Yesterday's high. I mean, this should be a safe short for a trade. Should fail. It's 11 o'clock. Europe's closing. It is failing. If anybody wants to try a small short with maybe an 6-8 handle stop, you can do that. I'm not taking a trade. I'll wait till this afternoon. Looks like we will get that final target. Candle close here will do it. We got to 91.2. 7 ticks to that final target. 7 ticks. One more candle on the Unirenko, and that'll pop that last target. Four ticks. Oh, you get up at 1 a.m. for work. Oh, that explains it. I'm just trying to wait for the completion of this trade. Then I'm going to wrap it up, fellas. You're up on micros with the bots, okay? This doesn't change anything. Done. Here's our closing on the bots. 292.50, guys. Up 292.50. What a goofy week. Plus 292.50. The bots today took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 1 winner, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners and 7 trades. Losing trade on crude. And a losing trade on the Russell, which probably accounted for $1,100, and we're still green. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the week. For those of you that are with me, anybody short the Nasdaq? I think that was a perfect short at yesterday's high. Anybody short it? Now you can target that 10. Okay, Paul. So first target for me would be 26, 27, and final target would be that unfinished auction at 10. I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I'm going to eat my lunch, take a break. For those of you that are with me at 1 o'clock, I'll see you then. For the rest of you, I'll see you tomorrow morning to wrap up the week. As a reminder, tomorrow is the last day of this current room link. So if you are new with us or newer in the last 2 weeks, on Monday or before Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning, you will log into the member area in order to get your link. Okay? I don't send links out, so don't email me saying, hey, I didn't get a link. It will be in the member area, I'm sure, tomorrow. But today is the last day of, tomorrow is the last day of this current room link. They expire. Guys, have a blessed afternoon. Those of you that are with me at 1 o'clock, I'll see you then. The rest of